Hey everybody, it's Carrie, and I also have Dale and Oliver here with me. Thought we would pop in right quick and show you that Cardstock Club, our October Cardstock Club, is ready to go. So each of these stacks are going to go to someone that's participating in Cardstock Club, and I've had a couple questions, so I thought I would just kind of explain how this works. So basically what we're doing is sharing the packages of cardstock. So each person gets 6 of each color in the color family. So there's 10 colors in each color family altogether. So, hey LD. So each person gets 60 pieces of cardstock each month. And then let me come closer where maybe you can see. We make these little cards so that you can see the colors that coordinate. And we just slip those in the packaging. So this is just 1 month worth of cardstock. And our club goes for 5 months. Those that participate every month get some free cardstock at the end. Some white, vanilla, and basic black. So that's how Cardstock Club works. And I will be taking the those that want to join for November. That just needs to be done by November 15th. Now, Dale's over here. He is putting all the cardstock back away because, of course, I had to get some out to punch the little circles for the little guides that we include. You want to say hi, Dee?
Hi.
And there's Oliver and the dog toys. The craft room has dog toys now. This is our life now. And then, since my room looks somewhat presentable, I thought we would just kind of span around and show you. That's where I keep all my cardstock. Up at the top is some prize patrols. And then inks and punches, where my stamps live. And just some office supplies. That basket is actually team prizes. And then back behind this table, I didn't really intend for this table to stay up all the time, but we need it for the workspace. That's my designer series paper. And then if you come around, we've got like the printing and shipping station. You know, during all this pandemic is when we moved my craft room, and I really have enjoyed it. There's our cutting station in the corner. Another little kind of office space, I guess, by the window. I thought that would be the place where I would really design a lot, but that's not what ended up happening, the way the light comes in. And then this super cute little cart here, the black one, that was a gift from my besties for my birthday. And it's really cool. Each little shelf comes off, the little tray, so you can have multiple projects going on at once. And then just a little bit of storage for what's usually our class supplies. And then we come over to where I make my videos, like this morning. That's where I was for my Facebook Live, and then my little computer station. So this is where I'm working most of the time when you see my videos. So that's it. That's what's going on. I was trying to find Oliver again. Oh, he's under the table. So that's what's going on in the craft room today. We're getting this Cardstock Club ready to go out. So we will talk with you guys again soon. Y'all have a great evening.